Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ardiansa Wijaya Menurung and my name is 251061231. Today I want to tell you about advocates. An advocate is a legal professional who provides legal service to clients both inside and outside the courtroom to protect their rights and interests. Advocates are required to work independently, uphold justice, integrity, and ethics, and act according to the Advocates Law number 18 of 2003. Their role essential in ensuring equal access to justice and maintaining fairness in the legal system. Historical background of advocates. The legal profession in Indonesia traces back to the Dutch colonial era when two types lawyer existed: pokral bamboo native lawyers without formal legal education and advocate and prosureus, formally trained lawyers with law degrees. Both played a role in assisting people with legal issues. Two delay different in qualification and scope of practice. After Indonesia's independence, the profession was unified and regulated under the Advocates Law of 2003. Uh, I want to tell you about qualification to become an advocate. To become an advocate in Indonesia, a person must be an Indonesian citizen and at least 25 years old. They must hold a law degree, complete advocate professional training, and complete a 2-year continuous apprenticeship at a law office. Advocates must not work as a civil servant or state official, must not have a criminal record with a sentence of 5 years or more, and must pass the bar examination conducted by Peradi or KAI. Once all requirements are met, the candidate must take the professional path before the High Court. And appointment and disbarment of advocates. The appointment is conducted by a recognized bar association like Peradi or KAI. And number two is the declaration is sent to the Supreme Court and Ministry of Law and Human Rights. The three is the candidate is sworn in before the High Court. The disbarment is violation of the advocate's law or code ethic, involvement in criminal or unethical action that damage the integrity of the profession. And next is right and obligation. Right of advocates firstly is freedom and independence in performing professional duties. Secondly is legal immunity for action taken in a good faith during advocate. Thirdly is the right to access information, data, and documents for government or private parties. Fourth is the right to confidential communication with clients. Five is protection from line, seizure, and electronic surveillance. And the obligation of advocates is must not discriminate against client for any reason. Two is must keep client information confidential unless required by law. Three, must avoid conflict of interest in professional duties. Four, cannot hold other jobs that affect independence of professionalism. Five, cannot practice law while serving as a state official. Duties of advocates. Advocates must uphold professionalism and integrity in carrying out their duties. They are prohibited from discriminating against clients based on gender, religion, political views, ethnicity, or social background. Advocates are also required to maintain confidentiality of a client information unless disclosure is required by law. Furthermore, advocates must avoid any conflict of interest that could compromise their duties on dignity of the profession. They are not allowed to hold other positions that might reduce their independence and freedom. If appointed is if appointed as a state official, an advocate must temporarily stop practicing law during their term of office. Next, I will tell you about a salary of an advocate. An advocate salary or honorarium is determined through an agreement between the advocates and the client. Depending on factors such as complexity of the case, the advocates ex- expected to set fair and reasonable fees while ensuring that access to justice remains available for everyone. In addition to paid work, advocates are also encouraged to provide pro bono legal service for those unable to afford assistance, reflecting their social responsibility and dedication to upholding justice and equality before the law. Okay, thank you for your attention. I'm Ardiansa. Back to you.